Hey, welcome to Thermoglaze. Upgrade your home with the perfect balance of beauty and strength. Your home deserves windows that are beautiful, durable, and ready for every Irish season. At Thermoglaze, we bring you premium alu-clad windows, the perfect blend of nature, strength, and style. Alu-clad windows give you the warmth of real wood on the inside and the strength of aluminium on the outside, perfect for homeowners who want natural beauty without the high maintenance. Inside, you get a high-quality wooden interior, making your home warm, comfortable, and perfectly insulated. Outside, a tough aluminium shell, protecting against wind, rain, and UV rays. This dual design gives you the best of both worlds. The aluminium exterior gives long-lasting performance. No rust, no rot, no constant repainting, just strong, reliable performance for years to come. Your taste matters. Choose from a wide range of colors, finishes, and designs. Warm wooden tones for traditional homes, and stylish aluminium colors for modern homes. Alu-clad windows fit every style. Ready to transform your home? Visit Thermoglaze today or call 019-120-600 to request your free consultation. Discover why alu-clad windows are the perfect upgrade for your home. Thermoglaze, where quality meets comfort.